The AI revolution is transforming industries and businesses around the world, but a critical infrastructure remains woefully behind. In fact, a staggering 85% of small to medium-sized enterprises lack the necessary technology and expertise to effectively utilize artificial intelligence in their operations. This alarming gap has significant implications for these organizations, as they risk being left behind in an increasingly competitive landscape. But it's not just small businesses that are lagging. Even large corporations with substantial resources are struggling to keep pace with the rapid advancements in AI. A recent survey by Deloitte found that 72 of SMEs believe AI has the potential to significantly impact their business, but only 21 have a clear strategy in place for implementing this technology. As we delve into the challenges facing these organizations, it's essential to understand the scope and scale of the AI revolution. In 2016, Google acquired DeepMind, a Google-based AI startup, for $625 million. Just 3 years later, Google's investment paid off when its AlphaGo AI system defeated a human world champion in Go, a game that was previously thought to be too complex for machines. This breakthrough marked a significant milestone in the development of AI and has paved the way for widespread adoption across various industries. Now, let's examine in the first section, the state of AI adoption. Section 1, the state of AI adoption. Despite the promising advancements in AI, many organizations are still struggling to adopt this technology. According to our report by Gartner, only 16 of companies have implemented AI across their entire organization, while 44 have not started implementing AI at all. This lack of adoption is particularly concerning given the significant benefits that AI can bring to businesses. One of the primary obstacles to widespread AI adoption, the limited availability of skilled professionals who can design and implement AI systems. The demand for these experts is expected to grow by 30 annually, making it increasingly difficult for companies to find the talent they need. Another hurdle is the difficulty in integrating AI with existing legacy systems. This requires significant changes to an organization's infrastructure, which can be time-consuming and costly. Furthermore, many organizations lack the necessary data to effectively train AI models, which is a critical step in achieving accurate results. Despite these challenges, there are signs of progress. The number of AI-related patents filed has increased by 400 since 2015, indicating that more companies are investing in this technology. Additionally, the development of cloud-based platforms and AI-as-a-service offerings is making it easier for organizations to access AI without having to build their own expertise or infrastructure. Now, let's move on to Section 2, the impact of AI on critical infrastructure. Section 2, the impact of AI on critical infrastructure. AI has the potential to significantly impact critical infrastructure, such as power grids, transportation systems, and financial institutions. These systems are often complex, interconnected, and vulnerable to disruptions, making them prime targets for AI-powered attacks. One example is the aging electric grid in the United States. Much of this infrastructure dates back to the early 20th century and is in desperate need of modernization. AI can play a crucial role in optimizing energy distribution, predicting demand, and detecting potential faults before they cause outages. However, integrating AI into these systems requires careful consideration of cybersecurity risks. A report by the National Academy of Sciences found that the increasing use of AI in critical infrastructure poses significant challenges for ensuring the security and reliability of these systems. Another area where AI is making a significant impact is transportation. Self-driving cars are being tested on roads around the world, with companies like Waymo and Tesla leading the charge. While there are many benefits to autonomous vehicles, such as improved safety and reduced traffic congestion, there are also concerns about job displacement and cybersecurity risks. In the financial sector, AI is being used to analyze large datasets, identify patterns, and make predictions. This can help institutions detect fraudulent activity more effectively and make more informed investment decisions. Now, let's examine Section 3, the role of human judgment in a decision-making. Section 3, the role of human judgment in a decision-making. As AI becomes increasingly prevalent in decision-making processes, it's essential to understand the role that human judgment plays in these systems. While AI can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, it lacks the contextual understanding and nuance that humans possess. A recent study by the University of California, Berkeley found that AI systems are often better at processing large datasets than humans, but they struggle to understand complex concepts and make decisions that require human judgment. This highlights the need for AI systems to be designed with human oversight in mind. One example is the use of AI-powered chatbots in customer service. While these systems can provide quick and accurate answers to simple questions, they often lack the emotional intelligence and empathy required to handle complex or sensitive issues. Human judgment is essential in these situations to ensure that customers receive personalized and compassionate support. Another area where human judgment is critical is in the development of AI training data sets. A report by the National Institutes of Health found that AI systems can perpetuate biases and errors if they are trained on flawed or incomplete data sets. Human oversight is necessary to ensure that these systems are developed with fairness, accuracy, and transparency in mind. Now, let's explore Section 4, the importance of AI governance. Section 4, the importance of AI governance. As AI becomes increasingly pervasive in our lives, it's essential to establish effective governance structures to ensure its responsible development and deployment. This requires a collaborative effort from governments, industry leaders, and civil society organizations. One critical aspect of AI governance is the need for transparency and accountability. A report by the European Union found that there is a lack of clear guidelines on AI ethics, which can lead to inconsistencies in how these systems are developed and deployed across different regions. Another area where governance is crucial is in ensuring the privacy and security of personal data. The General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in the EU has set a high standard for protecting individual privacy, but more needs to be done to ensure that AI systems do not compromise this data. In addition to these challenges, there are also concerns about job displacement and income inequality. A report by the McKinsey Global Institute found that up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation, with low-skilled workers being disproportionately affected. Now, let's examine Section 5, the future of work in an AI-powered world. Section 5, the future of work in an AI-powered world. As we move forward into an AI-powered world, it's essential to prepare for the future of work. This requires a shift in our education and training systems, as well as a rethinking of how we structure our workplaces and industries. One key area is upskilling and reskilling workers. A report by the World Economic Forum found that 54% of employees will need to develop new skills by 2025 to remain relevant in the job market. This requires significant investments in education and training programs, as well as a culture shift towards lifelong learning. Another area where we need to focus is on creating new opportunities for workers. A report by the Brookings Institution found that while automation may displace some jobs, it will also create new ones that we cannot yet imagine. We need to prioritize entrepreneurship, innovation, and creativity in our workforce development strategies. In conclusion, The A revolution has significant implications for businesses, governments, and individuals around